Tired of your opinions being worth nothing? Today, we're diving into how you might actually make money by writing Google reviews. First things first, Google doesn't directly pay you for writing reviews. The key is finding third-party platforms or market research programs that reward you for your feedback, which includes Google reviews. Head over to legitimate market research websites. Many offer points or small payments for completing tasks, and sometimes writing a Google review is one of them. Look for reputable websites, and always be cautious about sharing personal information. Next, participate in promotional campaigns. Sometimes, businesses will run promotions where they incentivize customers to leave reviews, often through discounts or small gifts. Always disclose that you received an incentive in your review to maintain transparency. Craft detailed and helpful reviews. The more informative your review, the more valuable it is to both the business and other customers. High-quality reviews are more likely to be considered valuable by market research platforms. Be honest and objective whether your experience was good or bad. Provide constructive feedback. Dishonest, overly promotional reviews are usually filtered out and won't earn you anything. Remember, earnings from writing Google reviews through these methods are typically small. It's more of a side hustle than a full-time job, but hey, extra cash for sharing your opinion. Why not?